world's largest pyramid in Hyderabad. My name is Prisha'sFunClub and I am a travel blogger. Welcome to another video. If you're here for the first time and you want to learn from my channel, then do consider to subscribe and smash that bell icon there. Mahbubnagar's Kadtal village is very popular for a huge pyramid founded by Pyramid Meditation Organization. Every year during the month of December, a meditation festival happening over the last 10 years. This location is just an hour drive from Hyderabad's International Airport and an emerging spiritual center that follows Buddhism type of culture. A pyramid is a structure whose outer surfaces are triangular and joined to a single step at the top. Maheshwara Pyramid is the world's largest meditational pyramid. It will naturally energize and heal the people meditating inside it and also the surroundings. It is sound and waterproof. It is made of iron structure. This is spread over 150 acres of land located on Hyderabad Srisailam Highway. The major attraction of Maheshwara Maha Pyramid is its height, which is 114 foot tall. This structure is the biggest pyramid in the world exclusively to facilitate meditation. This was constructed as a part of a unique cosmic design. Structure was covered with stones over which a concrete coating. The pyramid is based entirely on steel frame using about 400 ton steel. Apart from the pyramid, the campus also boasts of a humongous kitchen that can cater to more than 1 lakh people. Now the muddy road started. From here, it will take 2 kilometers to reach the pyramid. You have to be careful if you are traveling here in the rainy season. It's great to see the Maha Pyramid after the travel relaxation due to COVID-19. I wanted to inspire others to venture out, explore, take calculated risks and go on our own adventure. And this is the security gate. We need to enter the personal details. What is interesting to note is that the transformation happened in this location. It has free food facility for needy people. There is also a meditation school where there are a lot of people. Then we have a rehabilitation center for people having health issues. It's made of steel and the base is of stone. If you are in Hyderabad, then you don't need to go to Egypt to see this pyramid. And look at that beautiful garden and Shivji. Look at that pyramid, so beautiful. As you can see, it's made up of steel and the base is made up of stone. Inside the pyramid, it's just like a temple. Before going inside, you should remove your shoes and switch off your phones so that you can't take recordings or photos. You have a 2-floor tower which also has lift facility. Look at this, it's completely made of steel and it is a soundproof system. Oh, wow, such a big tower. It's for meditation. Pyramid is always a place for meditation. So as we saw the tower, this is the steps to climb the tower. This is the tower, top of the tower. Let's go up. Here the echo comes very nice. We reached the top. Hey, let's do it. Come on. Look at the cottage at the other side of the road. They're not very well maintained, but the house looks really pretty. Isn't it just beautiful?
TakeTones.com. TakeTones.com. TakeTones.com.
Watching my vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Do consider to subscribe, like, share and smash that bell icon there.